Hometown Manufacturing manufactures trackless trolleys, and then now city buses, transit buses. Yeah, so when I started here in, I think 2008, I came on board here with the rest of my family, and I had to start out sweeping floors and welding fronts and backs together for trolleys all the way at the start of the line. And then basically had to go through each position, learning all the different aspects of the whole production, all the way to where I'm at now.
Hometown manufactures timeless trolleys that really capturing the old with the new. We don't build a specific bus. Every customer can have their own flexibility on how they build. So every bus is different. Comes down to length, color, window layout, seat layout. Every one is unique to the customer. Every bus has a story that comes through the line. Any fabricator out there can happily say, I made that by hand. I cut that piece of metal, I fit it, I welded it, right down to the finishers. I put the trim in there, I custom fit it to that. You don't just grab something that fits on them like a regular production car. Every single piece on that is fitted, finished by one of our craftsmen.
As you can see here, we have a full production line of vehicles. Yes, we do tailor and customize vehicles to everyone's needs, but there's still a system and layouts and how everything would be just as a normal factory. So these are production built vehicle to top standards as some of the best transit buses in the world. But at the same time, we still have that family oriented, tailor to your needs feel.
The family owned side is unique because it's more personable with the employees. It makes you feel like a family. You're not just walking into a business that you're just a number.
You have fathers out here showing their sons things that they do and continue on, just as I learned through from my parents. They're training their kids out there the exact same way.
It's a very close community. It's very heartwarming. It makes you proud to be in your own hometown and that we're able to do this right here in our own backyard and have something that touches the entire world and not just the next town. I love doing the electrical work, and especially when we get to our limo buses, we do a lot of extra lighting, a lot of extra stuff in them, and they're really cool once they're done. Lots of extra sound systems, camera systems. They're just a lot of fun for us to work on.
The customer gets more of that family feel when they purchase a vehicle from us. They're not just handed a key and here's your vehicle. They're basically joining a family of people that built the trolley, and then they're part of the family once they get the vehicle for support, warranty, everything that goes with it.
It's important to be American made because we're getting our products from American made companies. So people like myself and another company are making products for us. So it's keeping families fed, it's keeping money within the United States.
It's longevity, basically, that we put in our products. So when you think of a foreign-made product, sometimes it's a fast-paced vehicle that doesn't have that true American steel feel to it, where these are heavy-duty, made to last a lifetime, that American feel.
Coming from a racing background, that's a big thing that I look for, is trying to make them as easy and simple to work on. And then that turns around to the mechanics at the facilities liking our buses, and they're pushing to get them because they're not down for as long, because they get harped on when the bus is down. So the quicker they can turn a bus around to get back on the road. So that's what we look for in every build we do.
What I love about my job is seeing the end product leave with all of the different hands touching it. We have 75 to 80 employees, and it takes every single person out here to get that product complete. So it's really neat seeing a product leave out the door on the road that we've all built together. So we love looking online and seeing feedback from our customers of how much their ridership has grown because of our vehicles are so special. And it's just a trolley in general really makes people happy. So whenever you see a trolley go by, a kid just wants to smile and jump on and go for a ride with their parents. So that's what really warms us about our products.
You're not going to get another experience anywhere else.